Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Guys, this is a follow-up video on the Dovebirds. So remember me they telling you, guys, say the dove should have down on 2 eggs. One did fertile and one did spoil. Now we took out the spoiled egg because it never make no sense. So we just take it out of the box because we know say no baby now come outside, and we left back the fertile one, guys. Unfortunately, the fertile one, the baby died in the shell. Now at the start of the video, you see that the baby died in the shell. Now these are fair offspring them. She had 3 children, three babies. Um, 2, 2, 1. So she had one first and then 2 after. And then this would have been, I think, our 4th batch because we did lose some. And that baby never make it. If you look right here, look closely, you see that the baby is in the shell. The baby didn't make it. This baby did not make it. It's stuck in the shell. And I just go, honestly. But I look forward to a new baby, a new addition to the family. But, what it is what it is. It didn't make it. So that's her there. That's a white dove. That's the female. And she's the one that is producing all these babies. Yeah, guys. So, yeah. I think this one coming up is the father. Yeah, man, he's the daddy. He's the father. So the two of them come together, gave us 3 babies so far. And then when you look on these two, I think these are the last 2. And then that would have been the one that was born by himself. So 3 babies so far. And the last one did not survive. It died in the shell. Okay, guys? Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell.